Hello, and welcome to our Cerenade video. In this video, we will go over the new look of our standard questionnaires, which are now intake forms. In doing so, you and your clients will now see a modern layout when viewing these intake forms. Additionally, these intake forms have been added as system intake forms in admin, allowing you to copy them and modifying them. Let us log into the caseworker portal. From the home page, let us click on the plus sign and proceed to select questionnaires. A pop-up will appear. Let us click on Print and View Questionnaires. You will now see the list of questionnaires and intake forms. Let us proceed to select one such as the General Info for Individual Client. You are now viewing the new layout. Similar to the older version, they will see instructions on the intro, the questions, and have the ability to answer the questions. We also have these intake forms translated. You can select the language drop-down menu where you can then select a language. With this new layout, it makes it easier for clients to answer on a computer, smartphone, or tablet. When sending it out to a client to fill out, you can either send it to the client portal for them to fill out, or, because it is now an intake form, you can send it as a passwordless link. On the description of this video is a link to send it via the client portal and sending it as a passwordless link. Additionally, you yourself can view this intake form and enter information on it via the alternate view of the client profile. To go to the alternate view, let us search for a client. Once inside the client profile, select the alternate view. You will see the drop-down list and proceed to select the intake form, such as the one we just saw. When entering information here and saving it, it will save to its appropriate location in the client profile. The last thing to show you is system intake forms. With system intake forms, we have added a way in admin to copy these intake forms and modify them as you wish. To do so, let us go into the admin by hovering over the settings icon and proceed to click on Administrative Tools. We are now in the admin. Let us go into the custom form templates. From here, we will click on the intake forms and two subcategories will appear: custom intake forms and system intake forms. Custom intake forms is the area where you can customize intake forms. System intake forms has a list of our default intake forms where you can go and copy from. Let us go first into our system intake form and proceed to look for the intake form we wish to copy. To help find the intake form, we have added a preview button. Once you find your intake form, select Copy, and you will be brought into the intake form to view, modify, rename, similar to how you would build a brand new custom intake form. Once you are done modifying, you can click on Save, name it, and make it enabled. And from here, your intake form will now show in the custom intake form area of the admin, as well as be available to use in the caseworker portal. If you need assistance on how to modify these intake forms, on the description of this video is another link on how to customize intake forms. This concludes our video on the new intake forms.